Welcome to the STUDDS Drifter Helmet Part Replacement video. In this step-by-step video you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor Mechanism Replacement. To remove the visor of your STUDDS Drifter helmet, open the visor fully first. Then pull the visor opening lever and gently pull it forward. The visor will detach from its casing as shown in the video. Repeat the process on the other side and pull the visor outward. Now to remove the visor mechanism, open the two screws first and then pull out the entire mechanism carefully from its slot using your fingertips. Keep all the parts safe, you will need them to reassemble the visor later. To install, place the visor mechanism back in place in the notch provided as shown here. Gently tighten the two screws using a screwdriver. Now, align the visor on top of the visor mechanism and gently snap it in place. Finally, operate the visor to check if it is working properly. Stop wind replacement. Your helmet comes with removable stop wind. To remove the stop wind, first open the chin pad by open the 4 screws. And the chin pad will come out from the helmet. Flip the chin pad and you will see the stop wind. Pull out the stop wind using your fingertips. To install the stop wind back again, place the stop wind in the chin pad slot. Screw the chin pad. Check your stop wind install properly. Cheek pad replacement. Your helmet comes with removable cheek pads. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the 2 buttons opening. To install the cheek pad, close the buttons inside first and then snap the cheek pad back in place. Top vent cover replacement. The helmet comes with a replaceable top vent cover. To remove the top vent cover on your STUDDS Drifter helmet, use the tips of your finger to remove the cover. To install the top vent cover back in place again, put the vent cover in place and snap it gently. Operate the vent levers to check if it is working properly. Mouth vent replacement. Your STUDDS Drifter helmet comes with mouth vent to circulate air. To remove the mouth vent, pull out the cover plate using your fingertips. And then remove the base plate. To install the mouth vent back again, fix the base plate on the slots in the helmet and then snap the cover plate in place. You may need to adjust the position of the mouth vent from close to open as necessary. Sun visor replacement. To replace the sun visor, open the visor fully first. Slide the sun visor opening lever. Now, gently push the sun visor on one side with your thumb and pull it out. To put it back, place the sun visor back in position, and slide the lever to close. Finally, operate the sun visor to check if it is working properly. Spoiler replacement. Accessorize your STUDDS Drifter helmet with spoiler. Spoiler install location. You will see the double-side red tape pasted on the back side of the spoiler. Remove the topmost part of the tape from all places. Rotate the spoiler. Now paste the same on the back part of the helmet as shown in the video. Spoiler would look like this on your helmet and your helmet is now ready for use. Liner replacement. The liner on the helmet can be removed for cleaning and replaced as necessary. To remove the liner, first remove the cheek pads, and lift the visor and unlock the 3 snap locks of the bandella in the front of the helmet one by one, then snap open the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. And pull out the entire liner from the bottom of the helmet. To put the liner back in place, align the bandella with the snap locks provided in the helmet. Now, gently snap the bandella in its place. Do a final check to see whether everything is in place and operating correctly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studds.com or get in touch with your nearest STUDDS dealership.